In this video, we'll learn how to connect MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain and send USDT from your MetaMask wallet to your Binance account. By following this guide, you will successfully transfer your USDT and ensure it arrives safely in your Binance wallet. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and signing into your account. Once you are logged in, locate the wallet option, which is typically found in the top menu. After selecting wallet, click on deposit to proceed with the next steps. On the deposit page, you will need to choose USDT as the asset you wish to deposit. It is crucial to select the correct network for the deposit. Look for the network selection drop down and choose the appropriate option, which should be Binance Smart Chain. Once you've made your selection, copy the deposit address securely. This address will be used to receive your USDT from MetaMask. Next, open your MetaMask wallet. Ensure that you have USDT in your wallet by checking your asset list. After confirming you have USDT, click on the Send button. A new window will appear where you will need to paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. It is important to double check that the network selected in MetaMask matches Binance Smart Chain to avoid any loss of funds. After pasting the address, enter the amount of USDT you wish to send. Before finalizing the transaction, take a moment to review the gas fees associated with the transfer. These fees can vary based on network congestion and will affect the speed of your transaction. Once you are satisfied with the amount and fees, proceed to confirm the transaction. After initiating the transfer, you will need to verify the deposit on Binance. Go back to your Binance account and navigate to the wallet section to check your USDT balance. It may take some time for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain, so be patient. Ensure to save your transaction details for your records, as this will help you track the transfer in case of any issues. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.